Hey guys, welcome to the vlog. Today we're going to show you how to change brakes on a 2006 Subaru Legacy GT. First thing you're going to need
is a 9/16 socket and a ratchet.
a ratchet. Take the tire off.
You need your tire iron. So to the right, tighten, and left, loosen. So you're gonna go from one end to the next end, and keep going like crossing, so it comes off evenly. And always loosen it, but don't all the way loosen it before you jack it up.
It's easier to break the bolts whenever it's on the ground compared to...
And plus, you don't have less of a chance of it falling.
Yep.
Over. Also, pull your e-brake and kind of scotch the wheels, and put it in park.
So pretty much all the wheels are the same to replace the brakes on. So we're just going to show you on this one wheel because every other wheel has the same steps to replace the brakes. Pretty day out today. We're out of the sun in my dad's new garage. Working on some stuff. Like I always, gotta keep busy.
Now that we got the tire off, we're gonna take the caliper off. There's two bolts, one right here, one right there, top and bottom. Easy. If somebody charges you to do this, they charge you big bucks to do this simple task. Simple, easy task. It takes 30 minutes to do it, maybe. So now that we got them loosened up enough, where we can just take them off with our hands. Now that we got the two bolts off, we're going to take the caliper off. See the brake hose right here? It's not long at all, so you can't just let it dangle because this could break or it could fall or anything, which would be a big job. You would have to bleed the brakes and everything. Now that we got the brake cover off, we're going to take the brakes out. One on each side of the rotor. Here's our new brakes. Nice and pretty.
Where's those ones? Here's one.
That's what they look like on that. They're squeaking a little bit, so we went ahead and changed them. You don't want to put them in backwards like that. Always make sure they fit with the shape of the rotor. Don't put them like this, because that wouldn't work at all. It would make a bad, weird noise.
Same thing. You don't agree. First.
It should be a tight fit.
There you go.
Now just put one on the back. Right there.
For some reason the back's easier on one.
Now that that's done, we need to C-clamp the caliper. Here's our C-clamp. We're going to use a old brake shoe. Brake.
Tab.
Pad. Tighten it up right here.
I got a freaking brake pad hanging out there. It slid out. Okay. So you're just gonna tighten this.
Until it's perfectly flat.
You'll see them go down. Okay.
Looks flat to me. You do that so that it will go over the new brake pads.
Yeah, so see how these are flat right here? And they would usually be like sticking out like that far or whatever.
Okay, now you just put it over your new brake pads around the rotor. Get your 2 bolts ready. Easy fit. Put your bolts in. Your sliders.
It's good to have help,
Untighten them.
but you can do it by yourself.
Now that they're hand tightened, so just going to tighten them up with the ratchet so you can make sure that they're nice and tightened on there so they don't fall off. Then after this, all we gotta do is put the tire back on and pump the brakes until the brake pedal hardens. Now that they're tightened, we're gonna put the tire back on. Easy job.
And make sure these go on easy, because you don't want to cross thread.
That look pretty good.
Yeah. I got stuff on my fingers. That's slippery. Use the, yeah, give me this. Now watch out. Just push that down. Such a difficult.
Get it started with your hands.
Yeah, everybody coming up here today. I'm also Dawn. Dawn soap's pretty good. 1 drop of Dawn. Grease is gone. No advertisement.
Now he's just going to tighten them up.
Let's go to the rock. Yeah, don't tighten them up all the way into like tires on the road. Because
And we're just going to lower it. Now we're going to tighten it good. That's the jack that comes with your car, so that you don't have to
sure all
valve.
of them have the same jack though. But you should have a jack with yours unless it's used or someone did something with it.
Now that they're all tightened, nice and tight, the wheel won't fall off. Now all we gotta do is get the key and start the car. And pump the brake.
We got the key to the Subaru Now all we gotta do, since we got the brakes on, the caliper back on, and the wheel on, we just gotta press the brake, start it, and press the brake pedal until it gets hard.
There we go.
Now it's good to go. Thank y'all for watching the video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
Peace, y'all.
Thank y'all.